Hello, you are welcome to Eureka Style. Today, guys, I'm back with another video how to make rosemary oil for natural decay. And here is our principal ingredient, which is rosemary. Rosemary, this is just a normal rosemary we used to cook in the kitchen, and I'm using 2 cups. Okay, and rosemary stimulates new hair growth. Okay, when you add it to a carrier oil. Okay, so if you want to know how I make my rosemary oil, please stay tuned. Okay, just watch closely. I will leave more information in the description, so please read the description very well. Okay, I'm going to leave a detailed information with regards to this rosemary oil. Okay, and I'm just transferring it to a tight container. All right, okay, please, and don't forget to subscribe if you're yet to. And if you have been part of my family, I want to say thank you for subscribing. Thank you for believing in what I do. And I hope you are learning something new. This is just part of the stuffs I do with regards to my natural hair journey. And my carrier oil is almond oil. Okay? Almond oil can make your hair grow, and it contains vitamin C, which is a natural antioxidant, which can really stimulate hair growth. It will make your hair grow stronger. Okay, that is why I'm using these 2 ingredients. Okay, the rosemary and the almond oil. Okay, I use 200 grams of rosemary, 2 cups, and I use 400 mils of almond oil. Okay, please don't forget to check the description. Okay, and subscribe if you're yet to. This is my the preparation. Actually, I'm going to cover it right now, and I will put it in a dark place. Yeah, in a corner that no air, no light should touch, because I want to get all the natural ingredients of this rosemary. Okay, actually I left this for 90 days. Yeah, anytime from 30 days you can check yours. Okay, but for myself, I'm going to be leaving this for 90 days. Okay, it's been a long time I did this video, so I left it for 90 days, and this is what it looks like after 90 days. All right, so we will go ahead and proceed. We will just strain it. That's basically what I'm going to do, to strain it. And you check out, continue watching. And I will go ahead here to use my face wipe to strain it again because it has some particles inside, and all these particles, I don't really want to have it in my oil. I want to have a clear rosemary oil. Okay, that's why I'm using my face wipe. And please don't try to squeeze it, just allow the oil to flow. Okay, because if you squeeze it, you may end up, the face wipe is somehow wet. Okay, you don't squeeze it because you don't want any water on the oil. Just you allow it to pass through the face wipe, gently and naturally, and you will have your amazing natural rosemary oil. You can see some of the particles, they are from the rosemary. Okay, this is it. Okay, because you need to strain it very well to get a clear oil. That is basically what I did. Okay guys, and here is your rosemary oil to stimulate hair growth, to have that thick hair, to have that strong hair, that natural fussy hair that you draw it, it bounces back. I love that part of my hair. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and I went ahead guys to check it out on my skin. This is almond oil and rosemary. It's going to my skin right away. Okay, it's easy to moisturize my hand guys. One thing again I love about this oil, I love the smell. Rosemary, oh, I love to cook with it, and now I've got the oil. Oh my god, I love it. It smells so good, it smells so sweet. Just try it out, okay? And if you've tried this out before now, if you use this, please let me know in the comments. And if you are going to try this, equally let me know in the comments, okay? And I went ahead to show you guys. I use it on my hair. I just finished washing my hair, and I've already applied my leave-in conditioner, and I'm using this oil to seal it up. Okay, thank you so much guys for all your support, for all your love. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, let your light so shine that men will see and give glory to God. Thank you, and God bless you.